So forget using dumbbells for building up the shoulders. Today I'm going to show you how to use resistance bands to more effectively target the shoulder muscles. So if we haven't met, my name is Greg. I have a degree in exercise science. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the biomechanics of the shoulder, then I'll show you how we can actually address that muscle to get a more effective exercise into the shoulder. The deltoid muscle, or the shoulder muscle, is that ball of muscle that runs right across the top of the shoulder here. And what it does is it lifts the arm up to the side from about here to here, and then after that, the traps and some of the other muscles in the shoulder start to take over. Now for muscle hypertrophy, or increasing the muscle size, we want tension when the muscle is most lengthened. So for the deltoid, that would be down here. And that's where we get into our first problem with dumbbells. On a lateral raise, I'm lifting the dumbbell up to the side, slightly angling forward. Now here's the problem with it. From here to here, if you look, what direction is my hand going? It's not going up and down against gravity. It's actually going sideways away from my body. So from here to here, where there's the most muscle potential for hypertrophy or muscle size, it's actually not really giving me any resistance to have this dumbbell, because all the gravity is going this way and the dumbbell is swinging not against gravity. So how do we counter that? So you might think with bands, oh, you just stand in the middle of the band and that will do it. So the problem with that, if I step right in the middle of the band, I'm still having the same problems with the direction the band is pulling. Mostly it's pulling straight down. So I'm losing a lot of that tension down here in the bottom range. What you can do instead, cross the band. See how it makes that X in front of me? So crossing the band and then taking a bit of a wider stance. Now you can see the band is actually pulling at a diagonal. So what that's gonna do is give you that resistance all the way through the movement and a more effective force curve. So if you lift your arms out slightly to the sides and then relax, it should snap your hands down to your sides. So that's going to give you that same resistance up here at the top, but a fully resisted movement all the way through to the very bottom of the movement, where you're really building that strength and hypertrophy down at the bottom. So if you like this sort of content and want to see more, I went over some common mistakes that happen with a bicep curl. I'll go ahead and link it over here. I do these live streams at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Wednesday. Hope to see you guys there.